just make up your mind. Say you go organize award, go collect sponsorship, then make money for yourself. We understand. That be your business you do. Don't come and support somebody in business. Don't come say, yeah, you know, go nominate. If I need a nomination, what your nomination will give me? How many musicians where they go come out today? We go come and say, vote this charter house thing, this awards thing, it help them build house. Nonsense. When we they talk and somebody go talk say, why we they talk that thing? Why we not talk that thing? People for just wise up. People for just wise up for this country with you. If we election here with you, if we election here with you, and everybody want peace. Everybody want peace. As so anybody will listen to this thing, for send to Flagstaff House, for send to everywhere, and tell them say, see what that when an industry they do, we shut up movement, we don't like that too. We know they like that. If you want to do your work, continue go do your work. Continue go do your work. Has and Kotoko. They go play May 9th. People die. GFA no ban them. GFA no ban that too. Because there's some the Jimmy Ghana. Now there's some people the way they say they be board members. They take decisions. Someone like I see Rex Soma go to radio talk say if the man chatter and why I'm stone boy there it be so one ball bra here remember Castle will be a will. I get what I'm saying. We tired with the nonsense. Me personally, me are tired with the nonsense. No, but I want a stupid thing with that. If you want to go do your work, continue do your award. Continue and do your award. Do your award. If you say my chain we are the way, this $25,000 chain we are the way. This $25,000, this is $20,000. You say go fit do for me. If you diamonds for you top, if you say your award go fit do this thing for me. This rolling we are the way. This rolling 35,000. You say go fit do for me. What kind of nonsense with that? With that country where nobody won't reason as make somebody tell the president, you see the way the things that they do. Shut up with the bomb, with the vest, you understand me? With the vest. You understand what I'm saying? The man go travel, go some country, and they go to say, oh, they ban you for award. Award where man no they get anything for inside too. Then they say they ban you. Who be that? What be that? Who be you? You said God. All nonsense be that. Maybe we stop more we can't talk say make they ban more. But you see me, don't come and spoil my business. Don't come and spoil my name self where you go mention for that place. They like as if I work for your office. You they ban Shatawali and Stone. Jimmy now there. Who can say me to mamu? You feel say I sing for you people. Or if you say I do work for you people. Because if you got music union where they make weak. That's why you people come they do like multi brofo. Yeah, T-brofo, yeah, or street. So we are about street life. We are about street life. Because I say, man, no. Hassan Kotoko, I say they go play. People die. Hassan Kotoko, they go play, man. People die. People die. The families, if you say they come out, where they can't talk, say, make the band Hassan Kotoko. Today, Hassan Kotoko, they play. They want to say, won't come out Hassan Kotoko because there are ways and things that they do, the way people they die. Because I'm coming to Hassan Kotoko. Man, no normal. And I'm going to Jimmy. Then you want show power like you be GFA, Charter House. What kind of nonsense is that? No, but what kind of nonsense is that? One man they thought they say, oh, take your time and talk. You know, I like what you talk. It is sensible, but the way they deliver. Me deliver is me deliver to me two one now. And me deliver for me. What kind of nonsense is that? If you want to continue to do your award, do your award. You say nomination. We don't bring nomination. Do your award. Don't come talk say you ban anybody. You don't get right. Because now go fit to make government ban you. Go fit to make government ban you. If you want to do on chaotic, to go do on chaotic. Make my fans say, yeah, we will make ready. You know, be you people are the blame, but the artists, the Ghana artists, where they accept, so they nominate them, so they go award. One, they go borrow money, buy dress. They go borrow dress, they go borrow car, they go do things, and you can't sit there like they be cool. Foolish artists, foolish boys and girls, foolish people. foolish. Very stupid people. How can you behave like that? How can you behave like that? Ghana artists, they sit there and they watch this thing, they go on. If you say, see, God bless, God bless, God bless. Like, see some of you, we they grow the future, we they go on. Some of you, we they go on. What can me across? What are we I do? What are we I do? Where it be like Shatawale there, hey, Shatawale there, Shatawale there. Up till now, nobody ever asked him that sensible question. Shatta, why did you stand up at the awards night? Make I explain. But man stand up, hey, Shatta wake up, oh, Shatta wake up, oh, Shatta, like across bushfire, like a throw bomb. Shatta be coronavirus, Shatta be malaria, Shatta be HIV, Shatta be gono, Shatta be anything. Let's think about it. You say you do your awards. Oh, we don't have a problem. Yes. Bring your nomination. People bring them a nomination. Okay, Shatta and Stonebwoy, they don't bring them. I mean, we say we ban them. But if we say, okay, maybe after they talk, they go bring them a nomination. Make we talk, say, no, the thing you people go do, no. We know, like, so it be cool. Yes, we do. Okay, they bring them. Shatta, Stonebwoy, the way people go do that thing, we don't want to put you for inside for this time. It's nice. So, that one, we do yawa. That one, me, I do yawa. See, I take my nomination, go away, you say no, you know, go take. Hey, if you say you watch somebody, if you say you watch me, if you say you feed me, no. I want to ask Ghana person. You Ghana, if you say if you chatter as well, they watch me. No, Ghana, if you chatter as well, they give me money, make I buy cars, chatter house, it be them. If you chatter as well, make I buy houses, it be them. Shatta house make I do my real estate project. It be them, If Ghana no stop that foolish thing, and see the Ghana artists, if you go to go sit up and think, even if Ghana artist in for some place, and one can talk and say what I talk about, I go slap him. I go to slap the artist. I go to slap people. If you say me pass your way, make I pass my way. Cause people they support this thing, and I be Shatta and Stonebwoy no there. We get a chance of winning. My Jimmy, you are weak vessels. You are foolish boys and girls. Because see, if you say the Premier League, where has a Kotoko the player, where the commentators say Kotoko, you go talk that thing. If your leg where you go take play, and if you score goal, make your team reign, make your team win. Most of you are lazy musicians, lazy cocoons, lazy Nkwalafo, a stupid boys and girls, stupid artists, because you don't want to think for yourselves. You always say somebody will go help you for life. Yeah, if you don't help yourself, God never will help you. You see, God help those who help themselves. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid and come and tell you say, you ban somebody. Somebody send you nomination. Somebody can give you this thing. What kind of nonsense is that? Then like you want to use my name tag do hype. My name tag be mentioned for that. Not say I go be see you people. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? And then when you people come beg me, you can't beg me. You ban me already. You can't beg me. Say this time you people see everything. You people see how I work. I can't sit there. You people can do that foolish thing you do 2013 or something. Then you want me to sit there like some kiddie. Man no be kiddie. You understand me? I don't be kiddie. You understand me? Today I don't tell people Ghana people my I chop 85,000 years. Mommy come. Pasiya. What nonsense be that? Nothing they pay me pass. They say they ban you. You be musicer. No, you be musicer. Where you go ban Ghana artists. You control the music in your. You put some effort for it. You go look for sponsorship. Ghana, hey, make I tell you something. You see this people, you be fraud when they fraud me all. Fraud at this highest level. You are from Nima. You know what's up. Can do then organize some stage, then organize venue, then you say, oh yeah, they do that word, they give the artist that word. The artist where they work hard. No? You go fit them say I work hard. If you go fit them,